Welcome to Altair SimLab. In this demonstration, we will introduce you to the mapping field for coupling analysis such as heat transfer and structural analysis. SimLab is capable of mapping displacement, forces, temperatures, pressures, and others, even with a simple CSV file or coarse match results model. Depending on your input data, you can use any of the three methods. SimLab will allow you to create a load from your map table or results to solve all types of simulations. Let's take a deeper look into it. The data table method is used to map a load results data available in X, Y, and Z value format onto a mesh. SimLab presents highly efficient algorithms based on set of nodes or shape functions to perform the mapping. Any type of contour displayed can be exported in different formats, such as a CSV table. In SimLab, you can use outputs obtained from coarse mesh models to map them to refined models by simply exporting the CSV format, or you can simply open a results file model and use it to create the load mapping. In any of the methods, you will have the flexibility to evaluate different load cases with or without the previously mapped output. SimLab presents a simple and intuitive workflow to solve coupling problems within a friendly user interface.